Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. All right, we're gonna get you another one. It's a 2026 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 28CRT. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 32 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 9,595 with a hitch weight of 1,990. with a GVWR of 11,400 pounds. Now this one is we just go ahead and say it's swapped. It's reversed.
Yes, so if you like the rear living plan, but you want your entertainment center on the campsite, this is one to consider. This is also going to be one of their lighter weight models. So if you're looking for one that's not quite as long, not quite as heavy, this is a great option to consider. So you've got all this really good storage right up here. Of course, batteries will go over there. Let's back out. This is going to have a Lippert Rhino box for the pin box. This does have 4-point electric leveling.
There's your
propane. Right there.
Oh.
And so your connections will be here. Your tank pulls are going to be inside.
Okay.
You do have Jayco being Jayco, and they're going to give you that water filtration system right there.
All your valves, yeah.
You have a dump area right over there.
Tankless water heater.
That is white, so that it blends into the siding. I really, really like that.
All right, what do we got here?
Now right up here, you got a Schwintek slide, and then you're going to have a rack and pinion over here. Now we're a little bit close to another unit, so let's squeeze down through here. Back here, nice Jayco emblem. Lots of traffic. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out, but this is actually the Saturday before Christmas, so I guess everybody's out shopping.
Yep.
All right, looking here at the back, you're going to have a ladder where you can get on the roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera, and you do have a towing package on this, so it's up to 3,000 pounds. This one is a little bit shorter, so towing might not be too bad with it. Now your slide on the front is going to have cable, so that it is cable-driven slide. Let us see what behind this door. That did not make any sense, what I just said.
What did you say?
I don't know.
Oh.
My nose is cold, so.
Oh, got little blue lights up in there too.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so you got this little outside area, having a fridge, some storage up there. Now, Jayport is how they do, what am I trying to say?
They're little griddles?
Yeah, they're griddles, so there's a, you put your griddle down here in this little Jayport area.
Yeah.
Right there. It's cold.
Okay.
So apparently I have brain freeze. Coming back up here to the front. The other side of your storage. And this is a smaller fifth wheel, so you do have a little smaller storage, but it is actually pretty good.
I think we could put just about everything in there.
You can bring a TV out here. So they have the speakers down here low. Of course, that was your other propane tank.
Sorry.
Yeah. So your awning is
I done forgot.
All right, we're going to get the awning for you. I do like that the arms on it are white so that they do actually blend into the side.
It is 15 feet.
15 feet. And your slides are going to be prepped for slide toppers.
And that one's got a cable.
Yes, I did point that out.
Okay. I was gone. I didn't hear you.
All right, let's come in and take a look. Like I said, if you do like the rear living, but you prefer your entertainment on the other side, this is it.
And I also want to say, of course, we give all these weights and measurements, and I also put them down there in the description.
Yes.
But I'm going to try to put them on the screen, so hopefully you saw those.
All right, something new and improved. But also keep in mind that weights and the weights are going to be specific to whichever unit you're buying. So if the dealer orders different options on it, that can affect the weight a little bit.
Yes.
So these weights are general.
Yeah, these are the general off of the website or off of the manufacturer's website. So.
Right. Okay. Now, like we said, this is rear living, so you are going to have this really nice sofa back here. It's going to make into some additional sleeping.
Yep.
For your guest.
Ah, about that big old window.
Big window. This is a really big window. You do have the blackout shades. You've got storage across the top. They are going to give you end tables on both sides. That's got power and USB charging. And I think USB. Yes. It's very hard to see, but it's there. Your slide over here is going to have your theater seating, and Jayco gives you these wonderful little tables. As you can see, they just fit down in your cup holder, so if you don't want them, you can pop them out and store them. This one is going to give you, so you can put it somewhere else. It's going to give you some storage here for your remotes. And oh, nope, I thought that one pulled down. Okay, they fooled me. All right. But you have blackout shades all around in here also. And then for your table, you've got a freestanding table, and they're going to give you 2 traditional chairs. And then on this side, you have a bench that does have storage, and you can move it around as you need it. So if you want it in front of your sofa, and if you need just a little extra room, that table is going to expand. Super nice. Okay, let's come back over here. And from your entertainment center, you've got a 40-inch TV, some storage up above it. Got a little cubby down there for some remotes, and your sound controls are to the right of that. And then a really nice electric fireplace that I would really like to turn on right now.
Nope.
No.
Can't do it.
No. There's my little pink pom-pom. They are going to give you a 12-volt compressor fridge in here.
All right.
And then moving on over, you've got some storage up here beside your microwave. And this is this convection?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
I think it is.
Yeah.
I think it is. And you are actually going to have solid surface in here. Is that new? Their lighter versions, they haven't always done solid surface. So I don't think that's convection.
No, I think it's just a regular.
It's a big microwave though. They do give you the 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and you've got the matching drawer down here at the bottom. Here in your island, you've got the solid surface.
Have they always been doing solid surface?
No, that's what I was thinking. I know their full-size Eagles did, but their lighter weights usually did not.
I didn't think they did.
So that was a surprise when we came in. Really good storage underneath the sink. Great place for your garbage can. You've got some drawers there. This one, they're going to give you the swanky sink with the cup washer and the pull-down faucet, your soap dispenser, and all that good stuff.
All right.
Now,
whew, how about
this is what we really love about Jayco, is their pantry storage system. I mean, come on, guys, look at this. I have to back all the way up to get all of this in. You've got shelves on one side. Over here, you've got hooks, so you can put a shelf up, a shelf down.
Yeah.
And something that is new that I have not seen is this little shoe garage down here. And you see that their heating is going to be in the cabinetry, not in the floor. You know, if you travel with a cat, you could almost slide your litter box in there.
Ooh.
Just saying. Which, speaking of cats, we have managed to acquire a new cat within the last week.
Yeah.
Thanks to our son, who couldn't stand to leave one in a parking lot. So now we have 4. Ugh. All right, guys, your fuses are going to be right down here. Your controls are here on the wall as you go up your stairs.
Oh.
Yeah, so, hey, I mean, we're not a huge fan of the corner showers, but this one seems to be be okay.
really nice.
I mean, yeah. So Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a skylight, so you have pretty decent head space up here. Right over here, they're gonna give you a couple of hooks for robes, towels, things like that. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Over here, they give you a mirrored medicine cabinet. Actually, pretty good space around your vanity area. Some storage there and a drawer.
Yeah.
I like that. I think that's a new Jayco thing.
Yeah.
I know we've seen it on maybe one other. And
Look at there.
yes, so you do have dedicated linen storage in here. So we are going to give this one the golden plunger.
Yeah, we were mixed feelings about the shower.
Yeah, the
She liked
showers.
it. I mean, I was like okay with it. So, what do y'all think?
Well, I fit in the shower just fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, when you're only 5'2", you fit most places.
And when we've been married for over 30 years now, yeah, you pretty much get your way.
We're going to leave it at that. This is a dual entry bathroom, so you've got a sliding door there that goes into the bedroom, and then this comes down the hall, which is going to put us right in here with a north-south queen bed, I believe.
Is this a queen? Well, let's find out.
I don't know. I don't think it's a king. It might be.
It is like 65.
Oh, so this is going to be like an Olympic queen.
Olympic, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 80.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So a little bigger than a queen, not quite a king. So it's a queen and a half.
Queen and a half, I like it.
You do have a front windshield here with a blackout shade. There's a hook up there somewhere that hook's on. I think that little, right there where that little, anyway.
Does this turn?
I think the little knob hooks around that.
Does it? Something like this?
Something like that.
Oh.
Well,
Yeah,
something like that, yeah.
like that.
And then there's an indentation at the front. Yeah, how many people does it take to figure out a shade?
Well, it took two.
You've got some shelves over here. I love that they actually give you nightstand area. You've got storage drawers. And of course you're going to have this on both sides with plug-in and your USB. So,
Oh, cool.
love that. You do have a second AC unit in here. And you've got a wardrobe slide.
I'm going to pull that down.
Oh, okay. Too much light?
Yeah, it might be.
It is kind of bright today. It's cold, but it's bright.
We have a light switch.
So there's a light switch.
Always
Yeah.
like to show the light switches.
Yeah, 2 drawers over here.
Hey.
And then your hanging area.
Yeah.
So, super nice.
That's
Now
all right.
you can put a TV up here. Now, this unit is not prepped for a washer dryer. So,
No.
it's going to be a lighter weight unit, so it's not prepped. But there is really, really lot to like about
There is a lot to like about this.
especially
Yeah.
if you want the the convenience of towing a fifth wheel with it being a little lighter and a little shorter.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.